Hawkins Precision and XLR Industries have worked together on a Hunter DBM and magazine upgrade for the XLR chassis system. In this video, we're going to show it hands-on. Gavin here from UltimateReloader.com. That's right. Just this week, Hawkins Precision and XLR Industries have launched new products. XLR just announced this on Facebook. The Hunter Mag from Hawkins Precision is now supported natively on the XLR Element 4.0 chassis system and the Atom chassis system by means of this new Hunter DBM upgrade from XLR. So the Hawkins Precision magazines are available in Standard, which I've got here, which holds 4 rounds, and Magnum, which will support cartridges like 6.5 PRC with a 3-round capacity. Really nice construction, lightweight, flush with the bottom of the rifle, really awesome for hunting scenarios. The DBM upgrade from XLR Industries, this will be standard equipment now on new Atom chassis, and you can add it to your Element 4.0, which we're going to do here in this video. Has a low profile design for the latch. You can't accidentally actuate the latch. You can see here I have the long latch, which was standard. It also gives you the adjustable height on the mag catch so that you can tune for your mag and your ammo and have it all work flawlessly. In this video, we're going to take this 22 GT rifle, which you've seen a full build on the channel here covering, and we're going to upgrade the DBM and we're going to feed some 22 GT with the Hunter Mag from Hawkins Precision. Let's get to it. So there we go. I removed the grip, which is just a single screw like you would on the AR. I removed both action screws, removed the barrel to action, and now we can see there's one screw here and there's one screw on the inside that hold the DBM in place. So I'm going to go ahead and crack these screws. This is the first time I've done this particular operation on an XLR chassis, but I like the modularity, you know, of being able to do this. It's pretty nice. Okay, off it comes. That's pretty simple. So we're going to take the Hunter DBM. There's a little locating boss there, which is kind of nice. Go ahead and put our screw on the Allen key. I like these T-handles. They're really nice for this kind of work. I'm not going to tighten this one yet. I'm going to leave it just a touch loose for locating. Get our rear screw. Tighten. And tighten. That part of the upgrade is done. So I'm going to get the barrel to action back installed, we'll get the grip reinstalled, and then we're going to see how this Hunter Mag is going to feed. Okay, rifle's back together. Let's see how our mag catch does here from the get-go. Ooh, look at that. I like that. And without the mag release, without the latch lever hanging down, that means that our sling isn't going to grab that. Branches aren't going to inadvertently pop our mag down. And look at the difference. Here's a standard 10-round AICS magazine, and here's the Hunter Mag from Hawkins. That is really, really slick. Okay. And if we want to adjust the height of the mag catch, we loosen this screw, and then there's an Allen screw here that's going to guide that up and down. And that means we can fine tune it to our liking. This is something that I wish was standard equipment on all chassis systems. And we'll just have to see. For now, we definitely have that as an option here, and we had that on the NV Pro, which we showed in that complete video. You're going to want to check that out as well. Okay, so I'm going to mount a scope. We're going to take this down to the steel yard, feed a few 22 GT rounds through it, see how it does. I absolutely love this 22 GT rifle. I just loaded 4 rounds of 22 GT in this Hawkins mag. Look at that. Seriously, how cool is that? I absolutely love this. I did a quick sight-in as well, so let's see how we do. Man, that bumblebee action is so slick. Success! This is a killer hunting setup. I'll tell you what this makes me want to do. Makes me want to chamber a 6.5 PRC barrel and to get the Magnum mag, because I think that would be a absolutely killer combo. If you want to know more about the Hunter mag and the Hunter DBM from XLR, click on that first link in the video description, head on over to the article, and I'll have links to product pages and all that. Here's what I want to know from you is, what do you think about the Hunter mag from Hawkins Precision and the new Hunter DBM from XLR Industries? Let us know, drop a comment, and we'll start a discussion. That concludes this video, and that means it's time to wrap it up. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, we're on Facebook, YouTube, Rumble, where we've got unrestricted content, and Instagram. Make sure to follow us on all those channels. Ultimate Reloader also has a commercial solutions division serving law enforcement, the military, and the gun industry. We have some unique capabilities, including a comprehensive suite of recoil testing and evaluation capabilities, trigger profiling, and more. If you're interested in custom rifles like what we build here on the channel, or gunsmithing services, you're going to want to go to rifles.ultimatereloader.com and get on the wait list. If you're interested in becoming a professional gunsmith, check out the Sonoran Desert Institute. They've got a degree program, they've got a certificate program, and you can study from home. Learn more at sdi.edu. Thanks again for watching.